Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. All right, so we have our plan for today, and we are going to, first thing, we'll report attendance, and then you're going to the photo. And since we're learning about adjectives and that they must match the gender and number for the noun that they are describing, you're going to listen. I say 3 masculine forms from 3 adjectives. The masculine form for 3 adjectives. And then what you have to do is you're going to record the feminine form for those 3 adjectives. So I want you to pay attention to the pronunciation and then try to repeat as close as you can. Okay? So that will be your warm-up for today, your actividad inicial. You're going to have your video here that I'm recording, but I want everybody connected so we can interact today. I'm going to get you introduced in this chapter. We will learn about adjectives. We're going to see the notes. We're going to see the video for the grammar activa. And then you're going to have one practice. You're going to, there's an activity here. You're going to click here. I haven't put the link there, but you're going to click here. I'm going to put the link right now. Okay, the link is here. You're going to click on this link. This link is going to take you to this page. And there's an instruction here on how to do this. You have 8 lines here. You see, 7, 8. And each one of these people are doing something. But what they're doing is showing what they are like, their personality. So we are talking about personality traits, and that's what we're going to use the appropriate adjective. So you're going to write number 1, and you're going to look at what this person, that is the arrow is pointing at, what this person is doing, and according to what this person is doing, you're going to say this person is this or is that, what they are like. You are not going to type any activities. You're just going to say what they are like. You use adjectives. And you're going to do it in the space provided, the entry box. We're going to be practicing the vocabulary. We're going to look over the slides again, and we're going to practice the Quizlet. And today, you don't have anything else to do because I know we're just starting this. Okay? So how to see you in class? Please connect, stay connected. Do not leave the class until I say that it's okay for you to leave. I'll see you during class. Adios.